watching Channel 4. And that's right, our new 1980s drama, It's a Sin, starts tonight at 9. I'll be telling you more about that throughout the day. Now, though, we rejoin Mike and Molly. And something to tempt you for your Friday night. Make your appointment for Channel 4's new 1980s drama It's a Sin at 9 o'clock. But right now, come dine with me. A very exciting day here on Channel 4. Our new drama, It's a Sin, starts at 9 o'clock tonight. I know where I'll be. But right now, with Martine locked inside the garage, Toby takes dangerous action.